you have any wish this year? I have wishes in this year. I can say a lot of wishes, however, I can say only 2 wishes in this presentation. First of my wish is get my favorite singer's album. First, I love to collect albums because album has real photo card and a lot of products. For example, one album has one real photo card and products. I want to explain one thing. Real photo card is very good image or photo that singer who sing that album's music. Some photo cards we can buy in markets, but they are fake photo cards. Second, I like to get my favorite singer's products because I like that singer. I like BTS and IVE. They are South Korean singers. However, BTS is so popular in the world, so I think you know them. If you are a big fan of BTS and IVE, you can understand me. I think you like to get albums and photo products if you are a big fan of BTS and IVE. Secondly, my wish is get a pet. First, I like animals so much. Because they are so cute, I like all of the animals, but I don't like mouse. However, I have sad news. That news is my mom doesn't like animals, so she doesn't like to grow pets. When I heard that sound, I feel so sad. I can't believe it too. Secondly, I like to take care of some things, because when I young, I take care of my younger sister. When I take care of my sister, I feel happy and fun. After, I always feel that mind and feeling when I take care of something. For example, feeling like when we did our hobby. In conclusion, first of my wish is get favorite singer's album, and second of wish is get pets. This is my presentation. Thank you so much for listening, and please subscribe CDI YouTube.